Good morning, guys. This whistle is based on one I spotted in a charity shop. A wooden one. And I looked at it, studied it, and I thought, I wonder if I can reproduce that 3D printing it. So that's what I've done. Let's do it in two pieces. So that's the bottom. That goes on there. There. It goes in there. And spreads out there. And then goes through those little slots and should blow up against those reeds. The only thing I'm not sure about is there's no gaps at the bottom, so yeah, I'm not sure about that. Right, cleaned it up, so that fits on there, and then we blow in it. I would say it works. It's not the most exciting whistle I've ever seen, but yeah, that works. Yeah. I will actually glue that on because it's not supposed to come off. But I had to do it in separate pieces because you needed a gap on top of there so that the air goes to the corners. So it's easiest to put the gap there and then add it on afterwards. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.